In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections on Surveymonkey. Whether you're a seasoned Surveymonkey user or just getting started, mastering the art of sectioning your surveys can make your data collection more organized and effective. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First things first, you need to log into your Surveymonkey account. Once you're in, go ahead and open the survey you want to work on. You'll find your surveys listed on the dashboard, making it easy to select the one you need. This is your starting point for adding new sections. Next, head over to the Build section of your survey editor. This area is where you'll manage the layout and content of your survey. Once you're there, look for the option to plus add new page. In SurveyMonkey, each page functions as a separate section. So, by adding a new page, you're effectively creating a new section within your survey. This feature is particularly helpful in segmenting your survey for different topics or for transitioning between them smoothly. With your new section or page created, it's time to populate it with questions. Simply add the questions you need on this new page. SurveyMonkey provides a variety of question types to choose from, whether you need multiple choice, text-based responses, or more interactive question styles. Make sure your new section is cohesive and related to a particular part of your survey's overall goal. And don't stop there. Feel free to repeat this process to create more sections or pages according to your survey needs. This modular approach allows you to design comprehensive surveys that guide respondents through a structured flow of questions, making for a better survey-taking experience. Once you've created your sections, you might want to consider using page logic if your survey requires a bit more complexity in navigation. Page logic is a powerful tool that allows you to dictate how respondents move from one section to another based on their answers. This feature enhances the survey's functionality, ensuring that participants only see the sections that are relevant to them. Finally, it's a good practice to click Preview to see how your sections appear from the respondent's perspective. This step ensures that everything is laid out correctly and that your logic works as intended. Previewing helps in catching any errors and understanding the flow before your survey goes live. And that wraps up our guide on adding sections in SurveyMonkey. By effectively segmenting your surveys, you enhance clarity and respondent engagement, leading to better data collection and insights. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying.